Alright, so there are a few things we need to understand about calligraphy before we can get started. One of the best things you can do to help yourself develop your skills further is to create guidelines for practice. This involves drawing lines about the same distance from each other and labeling them, if you need it, with these terms we'll discuss. The first term you'll need to understand is baseline, and that is simply the straight line on which all of your letters will rest. The Xheight is the dotted line between the baseline and the ascender that allows you to keep all of your letters consistent. The Xheight is simply the space that a lowercase x would take up. An ascender is any letter that goes above your Xheight. So these letters we're looking at here, like H, B, K, and F. Descenders are simply letters that extend below your baseline. So letters like Y, G, J, and a few others we'll look at here. Creating guidelines for yourself is a really great way to continue to further your skills, create muscle memory, and make sure that all of your letters are nice and consistent.